Hello everyone and welcome to this example recording on complex numbers. So the question we're going to be looking at requests us to determine the value or the expression for x in polar form. Right, when we take a look at this, it should be noted that a number of the calculations in complex numbers can be plugged straight into your calculator. There are some simplifications that you need to make. The only numbers that you know will be a challenge for you to get in a mode that is in complex is when you have a root, as you see there, and if you've got an exponential number. So we know that with the root, if you have the root of a plus jb, that should give you the root of c angle, let's call it y, which is the root of c, and the angle will be y divided by 2. We also know that with your exponential form, 2e to the jx, for example, or let's say a e to the jx, if you get this to polar form, this will be a angle x. Right, so we should be able to work with that particular question. So let's simplify. Right, so first thing, we have the root of negative 45 angle 70. So in place of negative, we could say that it's j squared, because we know that j squared is equals to minus 1. So that will be j squared multiplied by 45 angle 70 plus, we convert that to polar form, so that will be 2 angle 30, all divided by minus 10 plus j15 conjugate. We know the conjugate is the reflection above the real axis, which means the imaginary value will then be negated. So it will be minus 10 minus j15. Right. Now, what's the root of j squared? That will be j multiplied by the root of 45 angle 70 divided by 2 plus 2 angle 30 over negative 10 negative j15. Right, so the root of 45, that gives us 6.7, and the angle 70 divided by 2 will be angle 35. Right, so we can plug that whole expression into the calculator. So we will say the expression is 1i multiplied by 6.7 angle 35 plus 2 angle 30 divided by minus 10 minus 15i. And that gives us a value of 0.37 angle minus 128. That is x. And the answer, the question was determine the final value in polar form, and the value has been given in polar form. Right, and that's the final answer. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy the course.